Planner Wednesday. This spread is from January the 20th through the 26th. And what I'm going to be doing today is a movie review. It's on the movie Spellbound, starring Ingrid Bergman and Gregory Peck. It's a really good thriller movie. So this is the paper that I've chosen because in it Gregory Peck plays a man that goes to a mental institution and he thinks that he is the head of the institution, but he really has amnesia. And this just reminds me of his mind. It's so foggy and confused. And Ingrid Bergman plays one of the psychiatrists there, and they fall in love, and she tries to help him. And there's books involved in this. And I'm just using this Dollar Tree washi with the stripes in it because that is one of his triggers that kind of makes him act a little weird, is when he sees white, even though this is cream, white with lines drawn in it, okay? And then I'm just going to be using a Sharpie marker in Honey Brown, okay? And I made my stickers using my Cricut. So let's go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. I'm so glad everyone enjoyed this little girly spread I did last week. I really love doing that. This to be the dominant paper of the spread because, like I said, his mind is just so confused and he's not sure of anything. And then these books, naturally with them being psychiatrists, they look at a lot of books. And he also, if he was the person that was really supposed to be over the head of the institution, he wrote a book. So Ingrid starts looking at the book that he was supposed to have written. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down like we want it. But I think this is going to give us a really good feel for this movie. Okay, let's start gluing our paper down. I'm glad you're enjoying my Valentine's DIYs. I'm having so much fun doing them. And I have another one for you this Friday. That is really giving us a good feel for this, I think. Okay, let's go ahead and start putting our washi down. And I love this Dollar Tree washi. Tears like a dream. And I'm going to go right down through here like I usually do. I think it really does finish out that spread nicely. I love that, okay? Okay, let's start putting our stickers down. Like I said, I made it with my Cricut. And here is here's what the DVD looks like for the movie. It just says Spellbound. I'm going to put that right up here. And then here's the first day he was there as her boss. He wanted to get out because he really felt an attraction to her, and she has one towards him. She's usually very all business. So they went walking, and he's also knows there's something not right with him, but he doesn't know what it is. Okay? And then here they are. They're going to visit the psychiatrist that trained her. So they're on a train, and she's trying to help him trigger his memory, because by this time she knows that he's not who he says he is, and he knows he's not that. So then here she's in a hotel waiting for him because he's wanted by the police because they think he murdered the psychiatrist that he's impersonating. Okay? And so they're on a train. I really got this ahead of myself. This is when they're buying the ticket. And this is what happens to him when he tries to remember. He almost collapses. And she's trying not to let the police, which is right there, and he's wanting to help her. She's trying to keep him away. So here they are. They go to the psychiatrist that trained her house, and in the middle of the night, Gregory Peck gets up and has a straight razor in his hand, and he just looks like a zombie, basically. So the psychiatrist was afraid he was going to hurt them, so he drugged him. And he told her he would be fine. He's just asleep. Okay? And then here, the psychiatrist is trying to help Ingrid bring back Gregory's memory. And then here, Gregory Peck they went on a ski slope to try to trigger his mind, and here he's trying to have a memory, okay? And I don't want to ruin it for you, but here they are on the ski slope again, and you'll just need to watch this. It's a really good thriller, okay? So now let me just write a few things down I need to do. And Wednesday is my birthday, which means that's today. It's really weird. Melvin's birthday is a week right before my birthday. It's so funny. Okay, let's put my pages right back inside my planner, and we will take a look at this. But I really do love how this turned out. It really gives a feel for the suspense and the confusion in this movie, because like I said, this paper represents how his mind is so jumbled and he doesn't know what's real. And then the books, and then these seem to be his trigger when he sees lines like this on anything. So it's a really good movie. I would recommend it. And again, it's Spellbound, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.